Hey guys, today I have a video if you jailbroke your iPhone 3G or 3GS on 4.2.1 and did the unlocked version of the jailbreak, updating your baseband, and now you're trying to restore and you realize you get stuck in a boot loop and nothing's working. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So I'll link to the two videos that that are of the jailbreak in which you just did, so you'll understand if you're at the state in which this will help you or not. So you're on the new baseband 4.2.1, and once you hit restore, you should go into boot loop and you won't ever be able to turn on your iPhone. But there is hope because you can obviously fix it, because that's the whole point of this video. And don't worry, I'll show you how. So go to Safari, just search FlexBurns and go to this link or go to the description. Now click on the first slider and you're gonna find iPhone 3G or 3GS depending on which one you have, and then 4.1, and you're gonna tap that and then hit download, and it will be downloaded, and you're gonna need that for the next step. In the next step, you're going to attach your iPhone to the computer, then hold both the sleep and home button for like 10 or 20 seconds until it turns on and shows up like this if it's not already, and then it'll say iTunes has detected recovery mode, so you hit OK, and then when it says restore, what you're going to do is hit, I believe it's shift on the PC, but on the Mac it's alt, click restore, and then it'll go to a folder in which you'll choose something, and mine is actually in the downloads, and this is it, so it should look like that, iPhone 4.1, and it should be in the IPSW. If your computer changed it, which some browsers like unpack it into folders, then try a different browser. Chrome doesn't unpack it, so use Chrome, I guess, if it has, and it'll look like that little zoom in on it, look like a little icon like you can see there, and then you just hit choose and then you hit restore. Now it will say extracting, and stuff will happen on the iPhone in a few minutes, and it'll take like this, for me it'll take probably around half an hour, so I'll be back when that's done. Shortly after, you should have a bar, and once this finishes loading, I'll continue the video. And when you do that, it'll appear like this, and on your screen will say this iPhone could not be restored, an unknown error 1015, so you're just going to hit OK. And now you're gonna have to just hit OK here. Now what you're gonna do is download Tiny Umbrella for the Mac. You can use iReb for the PC, and that's pretty self-explanatory. Just download iReb and then click the Fix button. And for Tiny Umbrella is for the Mac, so you can just open it up, hit the device. This is a recovery device, and then hit exit recovery, and then your device should show an apple like this, and if all goes well, it will exit the recovery and boot up. And since this is a iPhone 3G, it might take a little while, but you can see a bar will go across the phone. And I'll continue from when this, or actually it's going a lot faster than I thought. And there you go. You'll have this with slide for emergency. Just hit back. Now, if you have a valid SIM card, it will work in iTunes and you'll be done. However, this is a 3G in which I upgraded to the iPhone 4. Thus, I have a smaller SIM card, which won't fit in this. So I'll have to bypass that, and I'll show you. You can click the video right now, and I'll show you how to bypass this if you're stuck because you don't have a SIM but you still have the iPhone, and that's basically what you're doing. So if you have that, you can click the annotation to go to the video, which will fix that, and I'll continue off making that video now.